Here, garden. And here.
Come and fly away with me.
Guys, welcome back. So, tapos na tayong nag-live. We are just finished our live and I plan to clean the bathroom. So, I need to we're gonna do, the hose is still here. I did not go on here our so we're gonna do get some baldi. Look atong gate magkuha tag baldi na atong gamiton kanina lang no tag tubig kay atong butangan og products. Very atong susihon ang kuan guys garden. So here, garden. And here. Tak. Tama na ni siya. Uy. Ayan. So, ito ning gamitan. Pero, mag-map sa tauna. Gonna do mapping. So, karon mga langga, magsugod na ta sa ato ang pagpanglimpyo. Di na itong so, ato ning kudkud. Ato ning ko ano siya mga langga. So, nito ko ano. So guys, we are finished at the bathroom, and then we're gonna use another clothes for mopping the floor because we did already vacuum, so we're gonna mop. Tak. So, humanata pero wala pa nauga. So we're gonna jump there. Where we at least nahumanata sa atong paglimpyo, no? It's very warm, but it's good because it's warm and the floor will be fast dry. So look at that outside. See? Uy, the gate is open. Napatayon yan, oh. So karon guys, magpanta og potatoes. Nilungag niya nga potato. So ato ning panita, no? Ayan. Nilungag ni siya gahapon. I just cooked this yesterday. Isa. So here, it's full cream milk. See that? Potatoes and full cream milk, and then we smash it. So I will put a teaspoon of sugar. Iganahan lang ko, no? Or more. Tak. Tapos smash na siya. No? I don't know how you call this, basta I just want to eat potatoes with full cream milk and sugar and mayonnaise inside. Then a mayonnaise. Hola. Then we will see. So guys, that's how I eat boiled potatoes without meat, without something else than full cream milk, mayonnaise, and smash it. Lami. So, thank you everyone for watching my vlog. I hope you have you enjoyed it, even it's nonsense. I would like to say thank you to my channel members. Thank you very much. And if you want to be my channel members and get some exclusive perks, just join my channel membership. Click the join button there, the join button, and subscribe. So guys, kain na tayo. Let's eat our smashed potato with full cream milk, mayonnaise, and sugar. Good? Like ice cream.